Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to translate language with interpreter on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. From here, just tap on conversation. Now just select while using the app and select OK. Now by default, it translates English to Spanish. As you can see, it has detected the English text and it has translated it to Spanish. And if you tap on the speaker icon,
Ahora por defecto traduce inglés a español.
It will read the text aloud. Now if you want to change the first or the second language, just tap on it and from here just download any other language. For example, I will download this one. Just tap on it and select download. As you can see, we have successfully downloaded and changed the first language. Now, as you can see, it will now translate Arabic to Spanish. Or if you tap on Spanish, you can also change the second language. Now, I will select French. Now, as you can see, we have successfully changed the first and the second language. Now, it will translate Arabic to French. كيف حالك? As you can see, it has detected that I was speaking in Arabic
كيف حالك؟
and it has translated it into French.
Comment vas-tu?
And this is how you can translate language with interpreter on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.